It's maybe more asking about, your hiring experience. Besides doing projects, do online data certificates or, online certifications in general show a useful indication of one's ability and understanding to do a job in data science when looking through CVs? So, what do you think, Larissa? What do you think when you see like an online certification on somebody's CV?
It's important on the initial interview or not on the interview yet. We now have systems, right, called ATS or HR systems.
Hmm.
And you need those, especially on LinkedIn. It already automatically tracks whether they're going to send your CV to the client or your CV is going to get eyeballed by a real person.
Hmm.
So unless you have those keywords found on your certification, then it's challenging for you to get eyeballed unless you have relationships already, that you have a connection within a company for you to get that first interview or conversation with a human. So I
Hmm.
think it still plays a part, but then during the interviews, they will ask you to demonstrate it. So make sure that you can really showcase what it is
Hmm.
that you study, what it is that you've got a certification on. And mostly like technical companies or technical interviews are they're also going to give you use cases
Hmm.
wherein you're going to demonstrate, okay, end to end, how am I going to apply my data science experience to solve this problem? So yeah, it's I think it's still essential right now that you have those so in your CV.
Hmm. Oh, great, great. So, Kyle, I hope that answered your question there. Um, so Patrick asks, to your story about stakeholders, are they generally on your side or against you? That's a good question.
Let me think. I'll think of a specific program. Starts with neutral, and
Hmm.
then I invest a lot to get them on my side.